Back here inside the arena in San Juan on a very cloudy and a bit wet Sunday afternoon. Ito po ang ating sports offering on Studio 23. A couple of high-caliber volleyball games courtesy of ABS-CBN Sports.
Second referee, Mr. Adrian Tabanyag, international referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Bulldogs of the National University. Wearing jersey number 1, Seaman Desiree Dadang. At number 2, Ivy Giselle Perez. Wearing jersey number 4, Carmina Agano. At number 6, Precious May Talibad. At number 8, their team captain, Maricar Nepomuceno. And at number 9, Riza Jane Mandapat. Libero, number 12, Jan Eunice Shane Galan. Head coach, Mr. Francis John Patrick Vicente. Calling on our Lady Tigers from the University of Santo Tomas. Let's start off with their team captain with jersey number 1, Rhea Katrina Dimakulangan. At number 2, Midori Hirotsuji. Wearing jersey number 4, Ingrid Julienne Reyes. At number 7, Micah Angela Ortiz. At number 9, Maruha Banatikla. And at number 11, Judy Caballejo. Libero, number 10, Jamie Mariel Morado. Head coach, Mr. Oji Mamon. The best of luck to both teams.
There are the starters for the Bulldogs or Lady Bulldogs and the Tigresses. Some minor tweaks for both coaches, most notably para sa UST, as you see Micah Ortiz right away in the starting lineup, and she used to come off the bench at least after the first few points of UST nung nakaraang mga games, ano?
Well, in the past few games, although normally Ortiz would be part of
starting
his
lineup.
Starting lineup. Yeah.
UST at 3-2, while Lady Bulldogs at 1-3 in the standings. Set number 1 just about to get underway dito sa arena in San Juan. So if you've decided to forego the usual Sunday mauling because of all the traffic, Anne is a testament to that. Enjoy the games with us on Studio 23.
That's right. It's much better than the stress on the road.
Good dig from UST's number 4. That's
Nepomuceno scores the first point for the Lady
actually, that's
Bulldogs.
Ingrid Reyes pala, no? Nagpalit na sila ng numbers.
Yes. Correct number of it. Correct jersey.
Service. Mandapat.
Lady Bulldogs drawing first blood here in set number 1 at 1-0. A push by Hirotsuji. Oh, nice cut shot there coming from Nepomuceno. Let's find out the deal with UST coming into this game as we check in for the first time with Tiff Atendido.
Yes, Eric, coming into this game, Coach Oji says we just want to end this year with a win, especially going into the Christmas break. Now, the Tigresses are very much in high morale and high spirits, coming from a 3-game winning streak. Now, in terms of game plan, however, Coach Oji says we just have to play our usual game. Pareho kami halos ng sistema ng NU, kaya pagandahan na lang ng laro at pagalingan. But the biggest reminder Coach Oji gave the ladies is to take risks, especially on service. Hindi pwedeng basta isipin lang na makapasok ang bola. We cannot allow the Lady Bulldogs to set up a play because of a good service from us. Okay lang mag-error basta we took the risk. Eric and Ann.
All right, thank you, Tiff. A quite surprising, instruction from Coach Mamon na kargahan nyo yung service nyo because we don't want an easy reception from NU as finally UST gets on the board for the first time today.
But that's a very good point. You'll see some of the teams really score off from services, and if malakas at kargado yung service mo, chances are also you break the play of your opponent.
So far, a very easy service coming from Dimaculangan and a quick retort from NU.
So far, also, Kaine Kumuseno doing an excellent job for the offensive line of the Lady Bulldogs. Lahat ng attempts niya halos na converted into points.
An awakening para kay Kaine Pumuseno dito. No? After we talked about her at the start of the game, that she needs to up her average because it's really dipped drastically. Now let's find out what NU has in store against USD today as we check in with the final member of the panel, Step C.
You know what, Eric and Ann? Even if they're more than halfway done with the first round of eliminations, Coach Francis still believes that anything can happen this season, which is why he continues to remind the girls to maintain a winning attitude as well as to take away any kind of negative mindset. At this point, he also made sure that the girls would be physically prepared by working on their floor defense, their blocking, and the accuracy of their service reception. But more than practicing their technical skills, the Lady Bulldogs also psychologically prepare themselves. After all, Coach Francis expects the team to develop a mature attitude as he instructed them to be tough and to manage whatever pressure they feel inside the court. Like he said, dapat ipakita nila na isa sila sa magagaling. Eric and Ann?
All right, thank you, Steph. Coach Francis Vicente, pretty much halos ganun din, na pakita nyo, magaling kayo, katapat ninyo USD. They wanna close out 2011 on a high note.
That's right. And of course, what they want is to show na kaya nilang lumaban, kaya nilang yung level of play ng Lady Bulldogs is something that can actually match the level of play of the other strong teams that we have here.
And it's not going to be surprising if they do because last season they proved that already. They showed to everybody that they are at par with some of the best in the UAAP. Kaya nga very surprising, nabanggit natin, that they're off to a very slow start in season 74.
That's right. Of course, pag nakitaan niya, so last year we saw that there was the potential ng naging pag-improve. People would expect that coming into season 74, the level will be much higher than what we saw last year.
Kumbaga parang may bullseye ka na on your back na markado ka na as you see Ortiz. Defense, non-existent in that play for National University and Michael Ortiz just punished them. A couple of service errors for both teams, and we're tied at 5-all after a good start for National University at 3-0 to start the set. Reyes on a cut shot there. Tip picked up by Dimaculangan. They go to Ingrid Reyes again. Finds the quarter. And that's one girl who's been stepping up this season na hindi pa medyo na-scout ng depensa, Ingrid Reyes of USD.
Of course, she's very new. If there's anything, yung mga kalaban nila, ang mastered na yung laro ni Ortiz, ni Banatica, because they've seen them already play last year.
And this is, I guess, what's good about being a rookie. I'm sure Banatica experienced this at one point kung bago rin siya, na hindi pa maabangan ng blockers kung saan ka talaga pupunta. And that's a luxury you enjoy for maybe how long, Ann? 6 months?
6 months or less. 6 months or less.
And Reyes wins the tip at net. And USD takes us to our first break of the first set. 8-5. USD lamang na ng tatlo after trailing by 3 to start the set.